If there's one thing we've come to expect from FiiO, it's top-tier specs and performance at a price that seems too good to be true. Their latest digital audio player, the FiiO JM21, continues this trend. Compact, well-built, and elegantly finished, the JM21 looks and feels premium despite its budget-friendly price. It features a two-tone design, sky blue on top and silver on the bottom with a textured finish. Its 4.7-inch 750 by 1334 touchscreen is crisp and bright, while physical buttons on the side offer easy control. At just 156 grams, it's lighter than most smartphones, making it a pocket-friendly companion. The JM21 is powered by twin Cirrus Logic CS43198 DAC chipsets, supporting resolutions up to 32-bit, 384 kHz, and DSD256, paired with high-performance op amps in a fully balanced layout. Shielding and isolation reduce signal interference, ensuring clean, detailed audio. It offers both 3.5mm and 4.4mm headphone outputs, with a 3.5mm doubling as an SPDIF output. The USB-C port handles both charging and data transfer. Battery life is excellent, over 12 hours of playback depending on usage. With 3 gain settings, the JM21 adapts to different listening setups, from demanding headphones to powered speakers. It also functions as a USB-C DAC, supporting up to 32-bit, 768 kHz, and DSD512 when connected to computer. For wireless users, it features Bluetooth 5.0 as both a transmitter and receiver, supporting a wide range of codecs, including SBC, AAC, aptX HD, LDAC, and LHDC. Dual-band Wi-Fi is on board, along with DLNA and Apple AirPlay support. From deep, controlled bass to crisp, airy highs, the JM21 delivers an even frequency response with remarkable clarity. It maintains excellent spatial separation, offering a wide and immersive soundstage. Whether playing DSD256, high-res FLACs, or standard MP3s, it delivers an expressive and dynamic performance. Running on a customized Android 13, the JM21 is smooth and stable thanks to an 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor. With 3GB of RAM, FiiO recommends installing only essential apps. While the internal 22GB storage is limited, the microSD slot supports up to 2 TB, providing ample space for your high-res library. Setup is straightforward. Charge the battery, connect to Wi-Fi, install essential apps, and you're ready to go. Priced at just $199, the FiiO JM21 offers unbeatable value. Yes, internal storage could be larger, but a microSD card solves that easily. For a compact, feature-packed, and exceptional-sounding digital audio player, the JM21 is an easy recommendation.